Hey, watch this launch. Hey, welcome back to Brushfire Builds, guys. We got us a Samurai. I know you can barely see it. I'll show some running videos here in a little bit, but hey, we're gonna be doing an EGR delete on this thing. It's got a Weber carb. It's not running so hot. So what I want to do is see if I can't narrow it down. We're gonna play around with some things. Like I said, I'm gonna start with an EGR delete. Start there. I just realized does this thing have any cool in it? Yeah. Ooh. It's good. So we're gonna start there and then just keep on going. Ooh, hey, NGKs. I wonder if that's spark plugs we should probably put in. So it should be a pretty easy process. EGR is right here. I just got to get it off, clean it up. Should be what, just a couple of 10 mils? The real question is what am I going to do with the return spring for the throttle? And do I even really truly need a return spring for the throttle? Probably. Right? Yeah, it needs something to keep it tense. I don't know. We'll figure that out as we go on. So let's get you into the engine bay while we're working here. The EGR should be right there. Well, it's not the top one, dummies. It's the bottom one. All right, I am still working. You know, it's already been capped off, so I don't even know if this is going to do anything. But I like deleting things. Deleting is where the fun's at, right? Blop. And blop. So, if you'd like to know, it's an 88 Suzuki Samurai, 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual. I don't even know, do they ever make these things in automatic? Picked it up for next to nothing. It's kind of another family gift. So, kind of like the Falcon. But this time it's a Sammy. I know, I already have 2 projects. Well, to be honest, 3 projects that I haven't touched in a while. So, I apologize about that. Oh, look how easy that was. The EGR gasket's brand new, too. And you can smell the fuel. But nobody wants emissions on this thing, do we? Let's see if we can't get you in there a little bit. See, right there. There's your EGR port. And here, let's get you focused in here. From Trail Gear, is our EGR blocker plate. Simple, easy, nothing really to speak of. It's just a quick little peace of mind for me. It's probably not going to fix anything, but we want to try it. Why can't I open this? Come on, puppy. There we go. There we go. Get it all nice and clean as you can. Theoretically, you should get some kind of, I don't know, tool in there. Some kind of grinder, you know, polish it up and get it all nice and smooth. But this is Brushfire Builds. We don't do anything the right way. Because we like to do things over and over and over again here. Space it out a little bit. Pull the gasket. Here's your gasket. Real simple. It's probably the easiest thing to do in my life. Send a bolt through it. Send the other bolt through it. Put your gasket on. And just cinch her on down. I'm going to start with my fingers. And then I'm going to cheat. I am going to kind of evenly do this. Not that it really matters. Alright, and then you're going to want to torque it down to spec. So, you get your torque wrench. Yeah, your torque wrench, you heard me. And you just kind of ooh, that one's a little loose. Beep. Beep. Stop! There you go. EGR blocker plate installed. How hard was that? Not hard at all. So let's get you back so you can see the rig a little bit better. Look at that. That thing's pretty cherry, right? Like I said, I don't think that's going to do anything for me. I don't think it's going to help starting or anything. Hey, but I got something cool for you, though. It's the coolest thing I found on Amazon. It's a Suzuki. Get it? Whatever. You guys suck. All right. Dollar says it didn't fix anything. It starts. It's always started. The problem is you got to hold throttle. Oh yeah. Oh hey. You know, this thing does have some sweet tunage. Watch this. Still on.
Hit play on Kayla.
Yeah. All right, before I get hit with copyright. Some pretty sweet tunage, though. It's my little Suzuki so far. That's an EGR blocker plate. Now I got to figure out how to get this thing to run better on idle. It's probably something to do with the throttle linkage is going to be my guess. So we're going to mess around with that. We're going to mess around with a few other things. It's got brand new mechanical fuel pump. It's actually got a lot of new parts. It's been tuned up. Like I said, Weber carburetor, which we're probably going to replace with it's the Toyota 3K carburetor from what I've been reading, since we want to do some off-roading with this guy. I mean, look at these meats. Still needs a lift too, but with the Toyota 3K carburetor, apparently you can off-road pretty hot. So, but with the Weber, it's more for a street carb. And this is going to be the ladies' little overlander. I mean, what do you guys think? Could be a pretty good overland rig, right? I mean, we got a top for it. You know, throw a cage on it, throw some lights on it. Boom, overland, right? Or do we go wild? And do I mean wild? I have a Subaru Turbo that I've had for a long time for no reason. Do we turbo it? There's a question. Want to thank y'all for watching. You know, thanks for returning back to Brushfire Builds. I'm gonna try and get some more videos out, you know, a lot more often. Temperatures are going down. I changed jobs, so that was kind of the hardest thing, but now I have guaranteed weekends off, and hey, I am so much happier. So content shouldn't be no problems. So, by the way, I want to thank the biggest sponsors of the channel, R3 Auto and R3 Moto Works out of Allert, Tennessee. Those guys are always keeping me going. No doubts. You know, give a shout out to Freedom Off-Road. Hey, Freedom, you guys make any parts for this thing yet? I could use some. You know, and Oxedo lighting, we're going to be getting our headlights out of from them. Dubby, always remember to drink your Dubby. You know, get that energy, get that no jitter. Dubby's where it's at. Use code SOA. And then on Oxedo, SOA YT10. You know, link, descriptions, everything. Or a link and everything's going to be in the descriptions. Sorry. It's been a while since I've recorded, if you can't tell. Trying to make it fun, trying to make it hot. So, hey guys, remember, you're worth it. Get out there. Go pick up something like this. Go get you something cheap. Go have some fun. I know, I've got 3 builds to do. So, we'll bring you guys back when we finally start working on the idle on this thing. I would like to get this thing running where I don't have to hold idle the entire time. So, thanks again, guys. We'll see y'all later. Where the hell did I put my mop? No.